If you're over 60, listen closely, because the stiffness you feel in the morning, the coldness in your feet, the slower recovery after a simple walk, and even the brain fog that comes and goes, they all share a common root that no one talks about. And there is one ancient oil, simple, affordable, and backed by modern science, that supports nearly every system affected by aging. Your joints, your circulation, your digestion, your immune system, even your energy. Some cultures call it the cure for everything but death. That's dramatic, of course. But once you understand what it does inside an aging body, the nickname suddenly makes sense. Today, you'll discover why this oil is becoming a quiet secret among seniors who want to stay mobile, strong, and independent. And you'll learn exactly how to use it safely and effectively. Let's begin. Aging isn't just getting older. It's a slow shift in how your body repairs, circulates blood, fights inflammation, and controls metabolism. After 60, your blood vessels stiffen. Your joints produce more inflammation than lubrication. Your muscles take longer to recover. Your digestion gets slower, and your immune system becomes less coordinated. Black seed oil, also known as Nigella sativa, supports all of these systems at the same time, not as a miracle, not as a replacement for medication, but as a gentle, natural helper that fills in the gaps left behind by aging. Let's break down exactly what it does in a senior body, starting with the problem almost every older adult deals with: why your joints wake up before you do. Imagine this. You sit down for just 10 minutes, and when you stand up, your knees feel stiff, your hips feel tight, and your lower back feels older than you are. This isn't just getting older. It's a constant low-level inflammation inside your joints. Inside each joint, there are tiny chemical messengers telling your body when something is wrong. After 60, those messengers become overly sensitive. They sound the alarm even when there's no danger. Black seed oil contains a compound called thymoquinone, one of the strongest natural anti-inflammatories ever identified. But here's the key difference. Painkillers block the signal. Black seed oil reduces the cause. It quiets the overactive inflammation deep inside the joints, so movement feels smoother, lighter, and less tense. Many seniors describe the change like this: my body doesn't complain as much when I move. I can stand up without bracing myself. My hands and knees feel younger. It doesn't erase aging. Nothing can. But it gives your joints room to breathe again. The hidden reason your legs feel heavy. Let's talk about your legs. If you've ever felt heaviness in your calves, cold toes, numbness in your feet, or swelling around your ankles, that's not age. That's circulation. Blood vessels become stiffer with time, especially in the legs. Your muscles don't get the oxygen they need. Your nerves don't get the nutrients they require. And your feet struggle to stay warm. This is where black seed oil becomes incredibly powerful. Thymoquinone helps the inner lining of your blood vessels relax. Relaxed vessels equals better blood flow. Better blood flow equals warmer legs, improved stamina, and faster muscle recovery. Seniors often say things like, "My feet aren't freezing at night anymore. My legs feel lighter on walks. I can stand longer without discomfort." Better circulation also helps balance stability and walking confidence, 3 things that protect seniors from falls. And avoiding falls is one of the biggest keys to staying independent as you age. Blood sugar, the silent energy killer, after 60. Energy after 60 becomes unpredictable. Some mornings you feel fine. Other days you feel drained before you even start your day. This often has nothing to do with sleep. It's your blood sugar. As you age, your cells become less responsive to insulin. Food doesn't enter the cells efficiently. Your energy rises, crashes, rises, crashes. Black seed oil gently improves insulin sensitivity. That means the insulin you already produce starts working more efficiently. You feel it as more stable energy, less afternoon crash, clearer mental focus, better mood, and calmer appetite. This is not hype. Human studies repeatedly show that black seed oil supports healthy fasting, blood sugar, and reduces insulin resistance. For a senior, that means steadier energy throughout the day, more mental clarity, better endurance on walks, and easier weight control. Blood sugar stability may sound boring, but it's one of the biggest keys to feeling younger. Your digestion after 60 and how this oil helps. Let's talk about something seniors rarely discuss openly. Digestion becomes harder with age. Your gut muscles slow down. Your stomach produces less acid. Your intestines become more sensitive. And inflammation around the digestive tract becomes more common. This leads to bloating, gas, pressure, slow digestion, and discomfort after meals. Black seed oil relaxes the smooth muscles of your digestive system and reduces inflammation around the gut lining. That means less bloating, less tension under the ribs, less gas building up, better bathroom regularity, and smoother digestion overall. Some seniors say they simply feel lighter inside. When your digestion calms down, your whole body calms down. Your energy rises, your mood stabilizes, and your sleep even improves. Because digestion, inflammation, and the nervous system are deeply connected. Your immune system after 60, why it needs help. Your immune system has one job: identify threats and neutralize them. But after 60, the immune system becomes slower and more confused. It may overreact to harmless things or underreact to real problems. Black seed oil brings balance. Thymoquinone supports the body's antioxidant defenses, helping your cells stay resilient. It also helps regulate the immune response, so your body reacts appropriately, not too aggressively and not too weakly. For seniors, this often translates to fewer inflammatory flare-ups, better resilience during winter, less sinus irritation, more stable energy, and improved well-being. You may not feel your immune system working, but you absolutely feel the difference when it's supported. Sleep, mood, and the mind-body connection. Sleep is one of the first things that changes after 60. Not falling asleep, but staying asleep. You wake up easily. You toss and turn. Your mind runs in circles. Your legs feel restless. Your body just doesn't settle. Black seed oil supports sleep in a unique way. It reduces inflammatory discomfort, calms digestive tension, supports blood sugar stability at night, and lowers stress hormones naturally. This leads to deeper, longer, more restorative sleep. And when seniors sleep better, everything improves. Mood, memory, energy, walking stability, digestion, and motivation to stay active. Some seniors report something else: a calmer emotional baseline, not sedated, just more grounded, patient, and clear-headed. This is the mind-body connection at work. When inflammation goes down, your nervous system finally gets room to breathe. How to take it, how much, and how to choose the right bottle. Let's get practical. Here is the safest and most effective way to start. Begin with half a teaspoon per day, taken with food. After 1 week, increase to 1 full teaspoon. Most seniors stay between 1 teaspoon and 1 tablespoon per day, depending on how they feel. Liquid oil is strongest. Capsules are easier on the stomach. Both work if the quality is right. A good black seed oil should be cold pressed, dark in color, stored in glass, peppery and aromatic, and preferably organic. If your oil is pale, flavorless, or thin like water, it's low potency and you won't feel much. Avoid heating it. Heat destroys thymoquinone. Mix it with yogurt, honey, smoothies, or take it straight. Take it in the morning or afternoon, not at night, especially if you get mild warmth or burping. What results to expect? A 60-day timeline. Here is what most seniors report. Days 3 to 7, lighter digestion, less morning stiffness, slight warmth in hands or feet. Week 2, steadier energy, less joint swelling, more fluid movement. Week 3 to 4, better walking comfort, improved stamina, smoother sleep, reduced bloating. Month 2, enhanced leg strength, more warmth in lower limbs, better balance, sharper mental clarity, and improved overall mobility. This is not overnight transformation. This is your body finally getting the support it has been missing. Aging isn't the enemy. Inflammation is. Aging doesn't take your independence. Inflammation does. Poor circulation does. Blood sugar swings do. Slow recovery does. Black seed oil won't make you young again, but it helps your body function the way it still wants to. And when your joints move better, your legs stay warmer, your digestion calms down, your sleep deepens, and your energy feels stable. That's not fixing everything. That's fixing the things that matter most. A small teaspoon, a small habit, a powerful shift. Your body may be aging, but it's still listening. Support it, and it will support you back.